Today we will discuss topic indifference curve analysis. मतलब तटस्थता वक्र विश्लेषण. First of all, we will discuss what is indifference curve. Then we will discuss the assumptions of indifference curve. Assumptions of IC indifference curve. Then we will discuss features of indifference curve. Three topics we would like to cover today. So what is indifference curve? This topic is first of all given by Professor R.T.T. Allen and J.R. Hicks. Professor J.R. Hicks and Professor R.G.T. Allen. Indifference curve in Hindi it is known as तटस्थता वक्र विश्लेषण और उदासीनता means consumers are not different. Indifference means not different. Means if consumers prefer a particular point at which they are getting maximum satisfaction from their given income, अपने दिए हुए आय से जहाँ पर वो अधिकतम संतुष्टि पाता है वहाँ पर वो तटस्थ रहेगा, वहाँ उस पॉइंट को पाने के लिए वो उदासीन रहेगा, डिफरेंट नहीं होगा. So first of all we will discuss what is indifference curve and assumptions. First of all, we want to discuss assumptions of indifference curve. Assumptions. Number one assumption is rational. Consumers are rational. Then we will discuss. Consumers are rational. बुद्धिवाला, विवेकशील है. Rational. Second, consumers are transitivity and consistency. Consumers are rational, विवेकशील है, बुद्धिवाला है, समझदार. Second, transitivity means clear. Consistency means minimum variance. Fluctuations ज़्यादा नहीं. Transitivity means if A is greater than B, B is greater than C, then we can say consumers can say A is greater than C. अगर A B से बड़ा है, B C से बड़ा है, तो A C से बड़ा है. कहने का मतलब है A अगर ज़्यादा संतुष्टि दे रहा है B से और B ज़्यादा संतुष्टि दे रहा है C से, तो कंज्यूमर्स को मालूम है कि A से वो ज़्यादा संतुष्टि पाएगा rather than C. मालूम. And if consumer prefers combination A, bundle A, it means always the consumer will prefer A. अगर A पसंद कर लिया तो बार-बार वो A ही पसंद करेगा. Suppose if you are from Jharkhand, you will more prefer rice. If the people consumers are in Punjab and Haryana, they will more prefer bread. आप भात को चावल को पसंद करेंगे, लेकिन पंजाब हरियाणा वाला रोटी को पसंद करेगा. तो if you prefer more to rice, you will always prefer the combination where rice are included. और पंजाब हरियाणा वाला हमेशा उस भोजन को पसंद करेंगे जिसमें रोटी हो, दाल हो. आप चावल और दाल को प्रेफर करेंगे. Clear? Yes. This is consistency. Consistency means minimum variance. minimum variance is not more. Minimum variance, that is consistency. And third is more is better. More is better. आप जानते हैं कि जिसमें अधिक है वो अच्छा होगा, है ना? एक मेरे हाथ में 10 रुपया का नोट है, 20 रुपया का नोट है। आप दोनों में से कौन लेना पसंद करेंगे? 10 रुपये, एक ही ऑप्शन है, 10 की 20। More is better. The humans are knowing that more is better. Understood? So these are what three assumptions of indifference. So there is just that. Now we will discuss what is indifference. What is indifference? Earlier we have studied the Marshallian utility analysis. We have already discussed Marshallian utility analysis, where we have studied consumers consume one commodity. Consumers consume one. Here we will study consumers will consume two or more commodities for getting maximum satisfaction. Because consumers are rational, so they know that we need to for maximizing the consumption, for maximizing the utility, consumers will consume or consumers will get more satisfaction from two or more goods. They will consume at one time two or more goods. So we will take the example of two goods, good X and good Y. And one more, we have studied earlier that if consumer is consuming one bread, consumer will get 20 units of satisfaction. 20 satisfaction. We will not study about the cardinal analysis. We will study here ordinal analysis. Ordinal, क्रम करना, संख्या में नहीं देंगे, क्योंकि ये डिमेरिट था मार्शलियन एनालिसिस में, ये डिमेरिट था कि एक रोटी खाने से 20 कैसे मिलेगा। ये तो आत्मगत चीज है, सब्जेक्टिव चीज है। किसी को 20 मिल सकता है, किसी को 10 मिल सकता है, किसी को पहला रोटी से 0 भी मिल सकता है। It depends upon consumer to consumer. तो यहाँ क्या करेंगे, वो एजम्पशन को छोड़ देंगे। यहाँ हम लोग कहेंगे कि जिसके पास ज़्यादा धन है, ज़्यादा पैसा है और बाजार में निकलता है कंज्यूम करने के लिए, तो जिसके पास ज़्यादा पैसा है उसको सेटिस्फैक्शन ज़्यादा मिलेगा। हम लोग रैंक कर देंगे। So suppose there are two goods, good X and good Y, two goods, and from the given income, different consumer consume or purchase two goods. Suppose one consumer purchase 1 of X and 12 of Y, and income is given. Suppose income of consumer is given ₹100, or we can say Z income is given Z or 100, and here every consumer income for every consumer is given. Second, if consumer 1 increase one more commodity of X, they need to क्या करना होगा, Y के यूनिट को घटाना पड़ेगा। क्यों? Because income is limited. From limited income, if consumer want to increase more of X goods, they need to increase Y goods. Suppose this is 3. If consumer increase 3 units of X goods, they need to sacrifice y unit to suppose 5. Similarly, 4 units of so x and y are goods. And what about satisfaction? Satisfaction means utility. Consumer 1 get same satisfaction. Suppose satisfaction is Z, then this bundle will also give satisfaction Z. This bundle will also give satisfaction Z. This will also give satisfaction Z. Clear? Yes. And here we find that there is a combination. Combination first includes 1 of x and 12 of y. Combination second includes 2 units of x and 8 units of y. So combination third includes 3 units of x, 5 units of y. Similarly, this is the combination, different combination. So combination are different. Combination 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. So many combinations can be. बहुत सारे संयोग बन सकते हैं. But if income is given ₹100 for every consumer, means income is same, they will prefer different set of different quantity of two goods, but satisfaction will be same. There will be no change in satisfaction. So what we have seen here? We have seen if income is given, satisfaction for different consumer is same. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And one more assumption part, more is good. More is good or better. More is better. Suppose we have second set of we have second set of same thing. Second set. Here x and y. Here satisfaction. Now, here combination. And we will consume 2 units of x goods. And 15 units of y. So this will give same satisfaction or more satisfaction. Here 1 unit of x good, 12 units of y good. Here consumer are consuming 2 units of x good and 15 units of y. यहाँ x का 2 वस्तु और y का 15 वस्तु का कंज्यूम कर रहा है, तो क्या ये satisfaction z ही रहेगा कि z प्लस होगा? क्या रहेगा?
Z plus.
Means z plus is more than z. z से ज्यादा संतुष्टि देगा कि नहीं देगा? Here income is also required more. Suppose here income is 150 rupees. Income of every consumer is 150 rupees. Layer 3 14 or 3 12 4 8 5 6. So this will give again z plus. Here also satisfaction will be same. Clear?
Yes.
Now we will draw a curve from here. we will draw a curve. What we will see? We will see this type of curve we will get. Indifference curve. Here, this is combination 1, combination 2, combination 3, combination 4. So one can be at point A, other can be at point B, other can be at point C, other can be at point D. These different people can be on same indifference curve, but different. They are consuming different combination. Suppose this, what we say, at OX axis we will get what goods? X goods. And OY axis we are having Y goods. Y axis. So at point A, consumer is consuming OY1 of Y goods and OX1 of X goods. At point B, consumer is consuming, increasing OX2 of X goods and OY2 of Y goods. Here consumer increase the consumption of X goods. X1 to X2. Consumption is increased. Consumer has increased the consumption. X1 to X2. This is the increase. But consumers had to decrease. कंज्यूमर को Y goods की कंजम्पशन को कम करना पड़ा। क्यों कम करना पड़ा? क्योंकि उसके पास आमदनी कम था। उस आमदनी में अगर X वस्तु की मात्रा को बढ़ाता है तो Y वस्तु की मात्रा को घटाना पड़ेगा। कोई उपाय नहीं है। तो ये हुआ Y वस्तु की घट गया और X वस्तु का बढ़ गया। लेकिन संतुष्टि बराबर है। संतुष्टि, satisfaction is not different. Satisfaction is same. Clear? Now draw the curvature of second schedule. Schedule second. This was the schedule 1. This was schedule 1. So what will be the indifference curve? This indifference curve will show higher level of satisfaction. Higher level of satisfaction. That is, this is IC2, this is IC2. Clear? So, if income is more, satisfaction will be more. So, this first indifference curve shows the satisfaction of those consumers who have rupees 100. Second indifference curve shows the satisfaction of the curve who have consumers who have 150 unit, 150 rupees. So 150 rupees is more than 100 rupees. Therefore, the people, the consumer having 150 rupees will get more satisfaction than that of 100 rupees. And the consumers who have 150 rupees will always prefer to consume 150 rupees goods. And they will be on at IC2. जिस कंज्यूमर के पास 150 रुपया है वो 150 रुपया का उपभोग करेगा और वो इंडिफरेंस कर्व सेकेंड पर रहेगा। क्लियर? तो हाउ मेनी indifference curve can be drawn? How many indifference curve can be drawn? So many indifference curve for different consumers, for different income groups. So we can draw so many indifference curves. So this is the point A, point B, point C, point D. How many points can we put on the indifference curve one? So many points can be put. Clear? But the people who have less income, less than 100, what will happen? The people, the consumer who have less income, so less income, this is the point. More income, this will be the point. More income, this will be the point. More income, this will be the point. How many points can be kept on one diagram? How many points? So this is the point of indifference curve. If we draw the curvature, so many points on this indifference curve. If we draw the curvature, so many points on this indifference curve. In between, so many indifference curve can be drawn. Clear? Then what is indifference curve? Now define what is indifference curve. Indifference curve is a locus of points. Indifference curve is a locus of points which represents the same satisfaction. Which represents the same satisfaction from a combination of how many goods? Two goods. So indifference curve is a locus of points which represents the same satisfaction from the different combination. How many combinations? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. There are so many combinations can be. So different combination of two goods. Why not 3 goods? Why not 4 goods? Why 2 goods? Because we are consuming 2 goods, but we can get more and more satisfaction if we consume more than 2 goods. अगर 2 वस्तु से ज्यादा कंज्यूम करें तो ज्यादा संतुष्टि मिलेगा, लेकिन 2 से ज्यादा संतुष्टि, 2 से ज्यादा एग्जाम्पल में ले लूं वस्तु का, तो फिर मैं ग्राफ बना नहीं पाऊंगा, समझा नहीं पाऊंगा। क्लियर? इसीलिए हम लोग 2 गुड्स मतलब यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट इज 2 and more goods. 2 से ज्यादा लेंगे तो हम समझा नहीं पाएंगे, 2D 3D 4D ग्राफ हम बना नहीं पाएंगे. So we have discussed what we have discussed right now. What is indifference curve? Definition we have clear. What is indifference curve? Clear or not clear? Clear. Second, we have discussed assumptions of indifference curve. Assumptions of indifference curve. How many assumptions of indifference curve? 3. Tell me. Number 1, consumers are rational. You need to write. Consumers are rational. बुद्धि वाला है, होशियार है. Second assumption, transitivity and consistency. Consumers जानता है कि कौन बड़ा है, कौन छोटा है. अगर जो बड़ा है उसको पसंद करेगा, ठीक है, और जिसको पसंद करेगा बड़ा को, उसी के साथ फिर कंजम्पशन चालू रहेगा. झारखंड के लोग हमेशा चावल खाता है तो हमेशा वो चावल के ही साथ रहेगा, रोटी कम खाएगा. पंजाब हरियाणा के लोग रोटी खाता है तो ज्यादातर वो अपने भोजन में रोटी रखेगा. क्लियर? दैट इज कंसिस्टेंसी. एंड अगेन मोर इज बेटर. वही एजम्पशन का रूप है, जो ज्यादा है तो ज्यादा अच्छा है,